Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. We'll be using the Media Creation Tool, MCT, which is Microsoft's official tool for creating bootable USB sticks. That means you don't require any third-party software. Let's begin. To use this method, you will need two things, which are the Media Creation Tool, MCT, and a USB stick with at least 8 GB of storage. Let's go ahead and grab the Media Creation Tool. Open your browser and type in Windows 11 ISO. Select the official Microsoft web page. Click on Download Windows 11. And here at the top, you'll see the Windows 11 version you will be working with. So here it's Windows 11 version 25H2. So now you scroll down to the Windows 11 installation media section. Click on Download Now. Okay, the tool has finished downloading. So let's go to our download folder. And here is the Media Creation Tool. At this point, if your USB stick is not plugged into your system, plug it in. Mine is already plugged in. This is my USB stick and the size is 16 GB. So let's go back to the download folder. Now you need to run the Media Creation Tool. So just double click on it. Yes. Accept the license terms. Now you select the language and edition. You can either choose to use the recommended options for this PC, which in my case is English United Kingdom, and the edition is Windows 11, or you can unselect this, which then gives you the option to select the language of your choice. Just click on the drop down and select the language of your choice there. The edition will typically show Windows 11. I am going to go with the recommended options, so I will select this and click on next. So we'll select this option, USB flash drive, and click on next. Now you need to know your drive letter. Let's go back to see the drive letter. It says USB drive D. So my drive letter for the USB is D. Let's come back here. So it has already selected that automatically. If you don't see your USB, you can refresh the drive list. So I'll click on next. It will now download Windows 11 to my USB, and specifically it will create the bootable USB. This is not a copy of the ISO file to the USB. It's writing the ISO file to the USB. So we'll just wait for this to finish. So now it's creating the Windows 11 media. So that's it. Once you see this notification that your USB flash drive is ready, it's done. So now we click on finish, and then you can safely remove your USB. So this is my new bootable Windows 11 USB disk. I can now use this to install or repair Windows 11 on any supported PC. And that's it. You just created a bootable Windows 11 USB using the official Media Creation Tool. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.